AMRAPs with a 5-minute rest in between. This will be on one long running clock. So in 5 minutes, we're going to perform 100 double unders. Then in the remaining time, you will do an AMRAP of 6 lateral dumbbell burpees, followed by 12 dumbbell front squats. Once we finish that first 5-minute segment, we're going to rest for 5 minutes. Then we're going to perform the second AMRAP. This one is going to start with 100 double unders. Then we're going to AMRAP 6 lateral dumbbell burpees and 9 dumbbell thrusters. We will then rest 5 minutes. In the final segment, we are going to again kick it off with 100 double unders. Then in the remaining time, we're going to AMRAP 6 lateral dumbbell burpees and 6 dumbbell clusters. Now, a reminder that a cluster is a squat clean into a thruster. This workout today is brought to you guys by Comptrain. We're excited to hear how you do on this workout. Make sure you post your comments to our notes. Best of luck.
Hey guys, welcome back. Gonna take you through another warm-up. Starting it off, we have 50 lateral hops, followed by some stretching. We're gonna get into a squat and fold, try to loosen up those hammies a little bit, get our chest up in the bottom of the squat position. Then we're gonna go back to another set of 50 lateral hops, followed by some more stretching. This time we're on the floor, arms nice and extended into a scorpion twist, trying to loosen up that lower back. Then we have our last set of 50 lateral hops. Then we're going to get in a seated position, or we can stand, get into a tricep stretch. We're just trying to loosen up the triceps, get that arm behind the neck. All right. From there, we're going to do 2 rounds of a series of movements. Started off, we have 6 candlestick roll up to a donkey kick, or inverted burpee, whichever way you want to call it. From there, we have 6 front rack lunges on each leg, then 6 power cleans. So just warming on some hip extension, getting those elbows up. We're gonna hang on to that front rack, get 6 front squats, and then last movement will be 6 push press. All right, from there we have a Tabata. We're gonna do 4 rounds, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, alternating between a plank shoulder tap, getting on our hands and feet, and then ab rollout. So just trying to warm up our core here. All right, you guys, get after it.